Okay, HVAC beginners. This is a pipe wrench. This is a channel lock, and obviously this is an adjustable wrench. I covered that in the video that I uploaded it about beginners tool bag. So this is a pipe wrench that was not part of the beginner's tool bag, but nonetheless, in this little video right here, I'm going to show you how to use your pipe wrench and your channel lock. Let's go. So I'm going to be removing this, I'm going to be breaking this union. Stay tuned. So opening the jaws of the wrench, of our pipe wrench, opening and closing it. See the motion, close and open, one hand. You could use both hands if you like. This channel lock is the one that has a little push button. So like fancy, it's a fancy channel lock. It's very fancy, so you can just press this button and then slide it and then push it back up. Press this button, and then you can slide it down. And to close it, just simply, other channel lock, if it's a slip joint channel locks, you just gotta move that down manually. It's pretty straightforward anyways, but this one particular one, and there's lots of other manufacturers that's doing this nowadays, making it so that you can just press the button and slide it down, and then to close it, to just simply slide up. All right, let's get them on the pipe. Okay, so I've determined the rotation to unlock this coupling, or this union coupling. So I'm going to have to be turning that direction. So I'm turning that direction like this. So that's going to unlock it. So I'm going to hold back on this part, which means I'm going to have to hold this back the opposite direction that way. So I'm going to hold back with my wrench facing twisting force or turning orientation that direction on this part, the back part, this little piece right here. And then I'm going to put the wrench that I'm going to use to open it on this one right here, this nut, and I'm going to rotate it that direction. So again, I'm going this way to open this nut, and then I'm going to hold back on this nut, which I'm going to have position my wrench for rotation, this rotation. Okay, let me show you. So I've already have it cracked, and try to keep the distance between the wrenches as close as possible. Like distance between the wrenches as close as possible. It's almost to the point where you could just use one hand and squeeze it. That gives you a bit of leverage. So this one here, you can see it's rotation. That's how this wrench has been used. I can use it, look, as you can see, use one hand. One hand. Look at this. Now, this is the correct way to use any wrench, or a pipe wrench, and the channel lock. Like if I was to put the wrench this way, that means I have to turn that way. Right? So if I gotta put it this way, I'm turning it this way. And the same thing goes for the channel lock. In this current position, orientation, I can't turn this way. That's the wrong way. It has to be that way. I have to be having force going that way. Check the orientation. If I want to rotate the other way, if I want to rotate this way, take it off and turn it around. Right? That's the correct way. That rotation is wrong. Always rotate to the inside, or to the inner jaw. Beginners. This way, wrong. This way, wrong. But this way, correct and correct. All right, that's it.